Hello, I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people, and welcome to today's live open home. Today we're on the Terrace in Wellington at 164 the Terrace at the MONTREAUX apartments on the 8th floor, and I've got a lovely, wonderful one-bedroom apartment to show you at Unit 8J. So do please come in and we'll start our walkthrough. This apartment is very, very well set up. In particular, it's a nice size. It's 65 square metres, which is bigger than most one-bedroom apartments, and we've got this lovely open plan lounge, kitchen, dining area, nicely furnished as well. And a lovely feature I like about this too, we've got these big ranch sliding doors. So they're double doors here. There we go. So it just opens up all the living space, and on a lovely day, and let's face it, we're getting lots of those these days. It's a great place to be and brings the outdoors inside. So that's very nice. So now let's just have a look at the kitchen. We've got a really good kitchen set up. In my opinion, in my humble opinion, the kitchen is pretty much a full-size kitchen. If you have a look at all of the cupboard space and the drawers and everything that we've got, it's got everything that our normal kitchen would have. Plenty of workspace here on the bench. Lots of cupboards, pantries and everything else. And it's got something too that's a little bit nifty. It's got two of these ceramic hobs side by side, and a lovely Smeg oven, and a big Smeg range hood with lovely black tiled back surface on it, splashback. So very well set up. And just off on the side too, we've got the laundry, which is sensible. We've got all the plumbing basically in one area. And the laundry is good because behind the door we've got some shelving. So there's plenty of storage space in this apartment. It's a very efficient floor plan for a one-bedroom apartment. All right, so now we'll go through down the hallway and show you the other part of the apartment. So we'll go down to the bathroom, and again, I'm really happy with this bathroom. It's smart. Got a nice big shower, and it's really nicely appointed, a really well-designed basin and lavatory. Really nice clean surfaces and a good-sized bathroom. Right, now we'll come through to a bedroom, if you wouldn't mind stepping into the bedroom. Thank you. So a good sized bedroom. This gobbles up a queen size bed, no trouble at all. And double wardrobe. Now the bedroom is a little bit bigger too than normal. We've got this nook here where we've got a desk placed at this, and a perfect place for a desk. So just makes the floor plan that much more functional. And the other thing I really like about it too is you can come out onto the balcony. So come on then, out to the balcony, and that will join up through to the living area. So a little tiki tour there, it's very nice. All right, so let me tell you about the apartment and all the reasons why you should buy it. Now this beautiful little apartment is on the market at buyer inquiry over $515,000, and what you're getting for your money is 60 square metres, one bedroom, beautifully modern appointed apartment, very clean and tidy. It is also comes fully furnished, so it makes a fantastic value for money. So buyer inquiry over $515,000. We do have it on the market by way of tender if not sold prior, and the tender close date is Wednesday, February the 27th at 3 o'clock. But it is tender if not sold prior. We are having an open home this Sunday at 12:30. So you're most welcome to come along and have a look at that for yourself. However, if you want to see it beforehand, please give me a call or contact me on Messenger or email me, and we will arrange a time. I should also mention, if you want any information on the apartment, we do have a very comprehensive information pack on a Dropbox link, and we can whisk that to you so you can be fully up to speed on what's going on in terms of the information for the apartment. Now, I just want to give you a little hint. I always provide these information packs right at the start when we list an apartment, so that you as a buyer, if you've been looking at a lot of apartments, it means you've got all the information to be able to show your bank and to show your lawyer, so that you can make an informed decision very quickly. So by the time we got to the situation where we're looking at offers before the tender closes, you're well armed with information and you can make a buying decision very quickly. So there we have it. One little thing, sorry, I just jumped the gun there a little bit. The other thing I haven't mentioned about this apartment is it's right on the terrace in a very, very strategic place for a lot of people. So if you're working at the university, if you're working at Parliament, or if you're in the government sector, whatever, we've got a lot of activity around here in terms of offices. So if anyone is looking for a bolt hole and they come to Wellington every week and they'd rather have their own place than live in a hotel, you couldn't get much better than this. It's very central, it's in excellent condition and beautifully maintained, and will provide you with a much better standard of accommodation than you would do otherwise, and it's yours. So there you go. I think we've covered it all off with that. I really do appreciate you tuning in today, and I'd just like to say thank you very much. So there you are, that's John Kettle for Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people. Thank you once again. Bye for now.